AI and Web3, the next chapter of tech. In the ever-evolving world of technology, AI and Web3 are currently transforming the digital landscape. Together, they create a new chapter in technology that changes the way we create, own, and share digital media. In the past 2 weeks, we've seen exponential growth in AI with revolutionary inventions like Midjourney and GPT for being used seemingly everywhere. For context, Midjourney is a groundbreaking tool that converts text into stunning high-resolution images, pushing the boundaries of creativity. OpenAI's GPT-4, a powerful large language model, LLM, launched just 2 weeks ago but has already significantly impacted the world and how humans communicate and create digitally. As AI and AGI, artificial general intelligence, capabilities advance, digital media creation will become more accessible and diverse. However, this newfound power presents a challenge. With AI-generated content becoming indistinguishable from human-generated content, how can creators and users ensure the authenticity and legitimacy of their digital assets? Web3 emerges as the solution to the puzzle. It enables the creation of decentralized and trustless systems built on hashgraph and blockchain technology. Web3 plays a crucial role in tokenizing digital assets, from images to videos and even text, giving them unique identities that can be easily tracked and verified. These digital assets, or non-fungible tokens, NFTs, introduce a new era of digital ownership and legitimacy. As AI-generated content continues to multiply, the primary value of the Web3 ecosystem becomes increasingly apparent. Digital art galleries can exhibit original works of art and digital media, authenticated by their distinctive NFTs. Artists and writers can tokenize their creations, ensuring the preservation of their genuine, untampered state. In the face of convincing AI-powered deepfakes and manipulated content, Web3 offers a robust solution to verify the origin and legitimacy of the works, safeguarding the integrity of the creative world. As we navigate an era marked by misinformation and manipulated content, it is essential for humans to create systems that preserve and protect our communication methods from distortion. Web3 offers a powerful solution by enabling secure and transparent data validation, fostering trust and accountability in the information we consume. By harnessing the power of Web3, we can ensure the integrity of our shared knowledge and fortify our collective understanding of the world, empowering us to make informed decisions and engage in meaningful discourse. As I continue exploring the fascinating world of AI and Web3, I invite you to join me on this captivating journey. If you like the video, please leave a comment and subscribe for more videos.